Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm so excited because I have here with me not just one but two amazing and exciting tools that I would like to introduce you. And for you newbie, if you're wondering, yes, this video is from our one tool per day series, and currently we are on our 4th week, which is all about content marketing, content management tool. So if you still haven't, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new update, because these tools can 100% help your online business grow. Alright guys, so this is not the first time we introduce two tools in one video, because honestly, in this 4th week of content marketing and content management tool, we have found so many creative, so many innovative and interesting tools that we just can't help it and want to share the most with you guys. So for today's first, we have HARO, help a reporter. So HARO is a pretty interesting concept if you guys do happen to know. With HARO, you can get on, you can sign up as a source, and HARO will connect you to journalists seeking expertise to include in their content with sources who have that expertise. Again, before we go any further, I'm gonna have to put out there a little disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by HARO, and if you're interested in this tool after watching this, we highly recommend you to try the tool first before paying for any subscription plans to understand if HARO is the platform you need. So with HARO, you can connect with journalists, but honestly, what does that mean? This means that when you get to connect with a journalist, you will be able to get publicity, get exposure for your profile, for your personal profile, and of course your business as well. So when you'll be able to connect with a journalist, you'll be able to give them some insight about some expertise that you have. They will post it with you as a source to credit you, and their reader will be very likely to look you up. And it's also a great way to get your brand names and your personal profile known by the public. So how does this work? You can go here, I'm a source, and here you find some of the rules to become a source. So you will receive 3 emails a day, Monday through Friday, at these time frames, with requests from reporter and media outlets worldwide. So as you can see, very wide scope. So it's very good if you are an international business, if you're digital marketing and you just want to gain exposure, want to expand your reputation to a lot of country. So HARO offer that, and you just need to scan the email, read the email. If you're knowledgeable about any of the topic, answer the reporter directly with their email address, and then you'll become a source. And here are some other rules, such as you must send your own unique response when replying to journalist source requests. Of course, you cannot plagiarize, or you cannot just Google anything and then you combine everything that you found and then just send to them. That is not the way to go. It's not ethical. And then you cannot spam reporter, obviously, with off-topic pitches in response to their queries. And do not pitch product in your source request reply unless the source request specifically asks for a product. And next, you may forward queries to others via email or social media. Number 6, you're not allowed to harvest any reporter information provided in the HARO emails for any reason. Reply to source request with complete relevant answer to their question, including a short bio and your contact information, and so on. So here are some just general rules, guidelines, so that you can deal with it. But again, it is a great way for you to just get your profile out there, get your brand names out there, so that it gets some publicity, it gets some exposure, and you never know what publication will be able to give your business a huge, surprising, shocking boost. So be sure to give it a try if you think you have something to offer here. And that is HARO, help a reporter. Interesting tools, interesting platform, and I'm sure it can help a lot of business out there. And let's move on to our next tools. So this is also a very simple tools. We love simple but innovative tools, right? And we have another simple tool. So Portent help you to create catchy title for your next blog post, podcast, or video. Simply type your subject and the idea generator will spin up a creative title and advice to take it to the next level. Now let's go. So again, thing that we usually do, digital marketing. Let's see why digital marketing ain't as good as it used to be. That's a pretty appealing title, I must say. And when you have your title here, you can see another title right here, or you can save this idea to check back later. You can tweak this idea, or you just change your subject. It's very simple, guys. Next one, we have insert celebrity names guide to digital marketing. So that's cool. Celebrity influencer, well-known names is always appealing, is always attention grabbing. Let's see what we have next. 9 unexpected use for digital marketing. That sounds interesting. I would definitely read this. Digital marketing in 16 easy steps. How to make digital marketing as fair as RuPaul. That's funny. That's trendy, and it's definitely got that creative nudge in there. So we have been generate some pretty interesting title. But if you remember from our previous video, we have a very interesting tool that help us to detect, the emotion, the sentiments behind a title. So today, let's check that tool again. Let's put some of these creative title in that tool and see how the tools react. All right, guys. So our other tool, if you still remember, is Headline Analyzer from Advanced Marketing Institute. And if you still haven't checked that video, I'll put the link in the description below. In that video, we also introduced 2 great tools to give your content that special boost. So be sure to check it out if you still haven't. Now let's try with this headline of ours, how to make digital marketing as fair as RuPaul. All right, guys, so we have outscored pretty quickly. It's 44.44. So most professional copywriter headlines will typically have 30% to 40 EMV words in their headline. And right next to it, we have some emotion behind this text. So we have empathetic and spiritual. It's pretty interesting that we were able to capture both emotion out of the 3. In just one headline. So we already explored these on the last video. I'm not gonna go through that again. I'm not gonna bore you by going through that again. Now let's go back to this tool. So we have some little underline here. Let's explore what this is all about. So here when you click how to make, this title set you up to give advice. Make sure you outline exactly what your audience should do. So this is a little breakdown in case you find this title interesting, but you're not sure how to move on with your content development. So the tools also give you some suggestion for that. So with how to make, this is what you need to do. You need to outline exactly what your audience should do. Next, we have digital marketing, and here we have nothing, no suggestion here, just develop content around digital marketing. It's pretty straightforward. And next, we have as fair as. So sometimes the story is more interesting when told backwards. Start with what fears can look like in your subjects. So, embedded this element, this pretty interesting element in your content because, you're teaching people how to make digital marketing fierce. And lastly, they choose RuPaul, but they also said you can choose any celebrity that your audience connect with will work. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty interesting, guys. So not only they will help us to generate some creative headline idea, these titles will also come with some suggestion on how you can develop your content. That's it for today's video, guys. It's a little short, but these 2 tools, personally, I love them. They're amazing in the way that they can help you. They can bring that special, unique addition to your content. So first we have HARO. Not only it's a great way to increase your business exposure, but also it's a great way to expand your professional network. Next we have Portent. So we all see how creative these headline that the tool was able to generate can be. So be sure to check the tools out as well, and let us know in the comment if you end up checking them, if you like them, if you love them as much as we do. See you again in tomorrow's video. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're up for more bootcamps and courses from industry expert, we also have that link ready for you. For any of you looking to build a website, there's a free access to our website builder. And of course, don't forget to join our Facebook group for more updates, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future free training from us. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.